things are worth paying attention to. As an artist, hope deeply aware of global issue. So please stay informed and pay attention to what's happening. Number 1, Pax Silica. Number 2, VP Sara Duterte's impeachment trial. Number 3, China new claims over Batanes. Number 4, reports of Israeli interest expanded in Siargao. Number 5, Ivana promoting online gambling by giving 100 iPhone 17. Number 6, illegal dam site at Subic, Zambales. Number 7, Ghost Flood Control Project. Number 8, mining expansion and deforestation in Palawan. Number 9, rising miracle bills. Number 10, women's right in Afghanistan. Sorry, bulol ako. Number 11, bullying and school safety. Number 12, the humanitarian crisis in Gaza. Number 13, inflation and cost of living here in the Philippines. By the way, may papakita ko sa yung whip dito. Di pa ako tapos eh. Continue tayo. Number 14, climate change. So dapat tayo maging aware po tayo sa climate change, sorry. And number 15, Number 15, logging and quarrying in the Sierra Madre. Number 16, conflict and mineral exploitation in Congo. Number 17, lack of reading comprehension here in the Philippines. So dapat tayo mag-aware po tayo sa sa education natin, lalo na sa reading comprehension. Number 18, Filipinos who obsessed to Rene Baterbonia. And lastly, number 19, criminal cases in Philippines, especially minors. So dapat tayo mag-aware po tayo sa paligid natin, and wag po tayo gumawa ng kasalanan po or masama, lalo na yung mga yung barilan po, pagsaksak at others. So please stay informed po, and bye.